Hi,
Hello, how are
hello,
you?
Teacher Meysam. I'm good. How about you?
Thank you very much. Thanks for asking. I am pretty good. Of course, a bit exhausted, but that is normal.
Yeah,
That part
and
is good.
I feel exhausted, but um, uh, believe it or not, it's because of a soccer game I watched, and it was very exciting. I'm a huge fan of Liverpool Football Club, and they had a game against Aston Villa, and he had to, score two goals to lead the game. So how have you
Excellent.
been? Long time no see.
Of course, we haven't talked on, let's say, Instagram for ages, actually. Okay, what about
So
you? What have you done so far?
I was exempted from, uh, you know, doing my military service,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, and I'm not gonna do it.
Oh my God.
It was like a pain in the neck, and I was always, yeah. I got rid of that, problem. Teacher Amy has a question.
Yes, I am from Iran, yes, originally, but I reside in Istanbul, Turkey. Mm-hmm.
Which do you think is more difficult, English or Turkish?
You know,
Turkish language, yeah.
I believe all of the languages have their own pros and cons, to be honest. And
Hmm.
this question is very clever question, actually. Mostly students ask me, and I give them my personal idea, my personal view that if you want to learn a language, I recommend them, I mean students, to learn the
Yeah,
culture of that language. If you learn the culture, you are going to just receive it and comprehend it as well as use it effectively, to be
yeah,
honest.
right.
Okay?
Yeah, right.
It's why
So,
the culture
there
is
are a
a
lot of,
shortcut to learn, for learning, actually.
yeah,
Yes.
I agree with you. There are a lot of things that you're not going to understand if you're not familiar with the culture. Let's use an idiom. We're on the same page.
Exactly. Right.
We can also say we see eye to eye.
Actually, the words like Ustad, master, this kind of stuff, no, never ever. I feel uneasy when someone calls me with these titles.
Yeah,
To be a master means to be the perfect guy. I
yeah,
am not the
right.
perfect one.
But you're almost perfect.
No, 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 never.
Teacher Sabo says, "What shall we call you?" So I think she means that whether she can call you Ustad or not.
No, I am not Ustad. No, never.
Okay, call him whatever he likes. What do you want to be called?
There is a title like teacher. Yes, I am okay with that.
Yeah,
hmm
I think teacher Meysam is okay.
Yes, that is okay. Trying to be a good teacher.